Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when using technology. Have you ever lost an important file on your computer and immediately regretted not having a backup? Well, that's the problem we'll be tackling today, the dread of losing valuable data due to accidental deletion, corruption, or hardware failure. But fret not, my friends, as there is a solution to this all too familiar dilemma. The solution to our data loss problem lies in creating regular backups of your files. By consistently backing up your data to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a dedicated backup service, you can safeguard your important documents, photos, and videos from unexpected mishaps. Remember, it's not a matter of if data loss will occur, but when. So, take proactive measures today to prevent future headaches tomorrow. It's crucial to establish a backup routine that aligns with your needs and preferences. Whether you opt for automatic cloud backups that run in the background or manual backups to a physical device, the key is to ensure that your data is secure and readily accessible when needed. Don't wait until it's too late to start backing up your files, trust me. Future you will thank you for taking the necessary precautions. In summary, the key to avoiding the heartache of data loss is to proactively create backups of your important files regularly. By implementing a reliable backup strategy, you can rest easy knowing that your data is protected against unforeseen circumstances. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment below with your own data loss horror story or backup tips. Until next time, stay backed up and worry-free.